All right, coming at you from the Meat Co. is our Regal Crest signature chicken. Now, this is a great addition to our lineup on the poultry side. Reason being is that it's more of a value-added product, okay? As opposed to, you know, the commodity line. This is tray packed and cleaned. So cartilage removed, any tendons, any byproduct off of it, it's all ready to go, trimmed off. Now, I haven't been in the restaurant for a while, but the people that I do see fabricating some proteins might need a little bit more help. But that help costs, right? So labor is always going to be an issue moving forward at this point until we get things more regulated. So this will actually have some labor-saving attributes. I don't have to put a knife to it anymore, right? Let our meat company do that for you so that you don't have to spend the dollars doing it on your end. Now, this tray pack is really nice because it keeps everything separate, right? And I'm going to show you, this is a 6-ounce chicken breast, trimmed, cleaned, and one thing that you'll notice is that there's hardly any purge. The purge is the liquid or the blood that you'll find in the pack. These are approximately 2-3 ounces, right? All the cartilage is removed. A little bit of fat still on there. That's perfectly fine, but look how beautiful that is. Okay, beautiful color, beautiful trim. Okay, all right. So for those who don't necessarily have the labor to do it, get it done this way. Okay, this is, like I said, a value-added product. This will help keep consistency on the menu from portioning. It'll keep your labor down. You know, especially if you get multiple items on your menu that require less knives and touches on the proteins. So once again, from the meat company, always looking for ways to innovate, always looking for ways to put money back into your pocket that you don't have to spend, and always finding ways to bring you the best product in the market today.